Now let's take a look 7.2 basic example to access the array elements. I'm going to show a couple of examples in VS Code. Here is a very simple example. I will declare an integer array with 10 elements, and then I will take the usual input, and usual input will be stored in integer array. The point is that the array should be accessed with the index, and index starts from 0. And I'm going to make some changes to store random numbers in array. This example generates 10 random numbers, and random numbers will be stored in array. And now let's compile this program and check out the results. Whenever we run this program, the different set of random numbers are generated, and the random numbers are stored in array. And now let's make another example. In this example, I will make the 10 random numbers again, and then the random numbers is stored in array, and then we will write down all the elements into the file. And now let's compile and run this program. When we run this program, there is no output on screen, but we can find a new file, and let's check out the contents of new file. We can find the 10 generated random numbers in the file. And now let's make another example to read all generated numbers and store in the array. We are going to read 10 numbers from the file, so I will declare input file stream object. By using this object, we will read all contents from the file and store in the array. Let's compile and run this program, check out the results. And here is the program output, and this is the contents of the file. Now let's take a look at the concept of bound checking in C++. The first we are going to talk about the concept of index notation. When we use the array name and index, it means that memory address calculation. We can express the memory address calculation is that the base address of array plus data size of element multiplication by the index. And normally array name has the base address. In this example, the number has the base address 100 and size of integer is 4 bytes and index 3, so the memory address is the 112. So the array name number with index 3 means that accessing the address 112. Now let's talk about the bound checking in C++. In this example, we declared the integer array with 3 elements, but inside the for loop, we try to access out of bounds. In this example, we have just 3 elements, but inside the for loop, we try to access until the 6th element. This program doesn't make any error, but it has the weird results. After the 3rd element, it shows the garbage values. Now let's take a look at another example. Let's make this program and check out the results. Discuss the results, what happened we try to assign out of range, and also what value will be displayed if we try to access out of range. Can you access the element without problems even though we declare the less size than we will access? The recommended way is that do not access the out of index even if there is not any compile error. Now let's make the program and check out the results and discuss what happened we try to access out of range.